Today I'm demonstrating Packet's Auto Scrubber Neutral Floor. This is a neutral pH floor cleaner for cleaning large floor surfaces with an auto scrubber. It is safe to use on sealed concrete and cement, ceramic tile, sealed stone, VCT, SVT, terrazzo, terracotta, asphalt and epoxy. Simply take the large deep purple packet and drop it into the auto scrubber reservoir. There's no need to cut, tear or open packet. Use one packet for every 10 to 12 gallons. Now, most auto scrubbers have 25-gallon reservoirs, so simply add 2 packets. Just top up the reservoir with water from a hose or a tap and let the fill agitation mix the low foam formula. It is important you not fill the reservoir to the top and then drop the packet in. You want the water filling the reservoir to break down the packaging and blend the formula. So let's see how it works. Packet Auto Scrubber Neutral Floor eliminates any possibility of overpouring and waste, which is commonplace with traditional auto scrubber products, often referred to as the glug 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 method. Using pre-measured water-soluble chemicals will increase safety by reducing the incidence of chemical exposure to skin and inhalation, as well as the need to maneuver these large 55-gallon drums of auto scrubber formula. Packet Auto Scrubber Neutral Floor offers a safe and cost-effective heavy-duty commercial floor degreaser that can be used in nearly all hard floor surfaces. Packet Auto Scrubber Neutral Floor comes in a variety of sizes. However, the most commonly sold is the 50-count tub, which yields 600 gallons of floor scrubber in just one small tub.